Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the phone is powered, unlocked, and on a recent system build so keyboards install cleanly. Once ready, open Settings and tap System or System and Updates. This path groups language and input controls. You need to reach Languages and Input next because it centralizes installed keyboards and current input method. Make sure to pause and note the current default keyboard name. That helps you revert if needed. Now proceed to manage keyboards from that screen. You tap Virtual Keyboard to reveal the list of active and available input methods. This is where you switch or add. Once there, choose Manage Keyboards to enable a pre-installed option or tap Add Keyboard to select languages and layouts. If the keyboard you want isn't listed, install it from Google Play. Search, download, and grant any required permissions. After installation, return here and flip its toggle on. Remember, enabling a keyboard doesn't yet make it your default input method. You now set the default by tapping Current Keyboard or Default Keyboard and selecting the keyboard you enabled. This makes it active across apps. Once done, open Notes or Messages and type to test language, layout, and autocorrect behavior. Then adjust keyboard settings for themes, gesture typing, or privacy. If the keyboard misbehaves, clear its cache, force stop, or reinstall the app. If settings reset, confirm system updates and permissions. That single troubleshoot tip often fixes most install problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.